This week I'm testing the Haval Jolion, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can fit 3 Infasecure child seats in the back of the Jolion, which is fantastic. We've got 2 Attain More and 1 Aspire More in the back here. Also, the legroom is fantastic. You can get at least a 186cm passenger in front of a rear-facing child seat, or the same size driver. Number 2 is you can fit a twin pram in the boot of the Jolion, which is pretty impressive. Number 3 is the Jolion is really good value for money. There's a lot of car here with all the tech and the cameras and so much space in here, and a hybrid. For that price, it's a very good value for money. I've really enjoyed driving the Jolion with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.